In this video, I'm going to help teach you how to draw an angle using a protractor. So if we have a problem like this that says draw a 120-degree angle using a protractor, first step is to draw a straight line in any direction. Okay, this time I've chosen to draw the line facing this direction. Okay, so here's our protractor. You'll notice it has inner numbers and outer numbers. So the first step is to line up the orange point on the arrow with the point on the protractor. So we would line these two up, okay, when we're measuring. The next step is line up the blue line on the arrow with the blue line on the protractor. So our straight line we will fall on top of that line, okay? So how's that going to look? It will look like this. So you move the protractor so the orange point and the blue line match up. Okay? The next step is to always remember that you start at 0. Okay? You start at 0. So this arrow is pointing at 0 here, which happens to be the outer numbers on the protractor. So for this angle, the arrow is pointing at 0 on the outer numbers. So we use the outer numbers to measure this angle. So see the green arrow is using the outer numbers, okay? Just ignore these inner numbers for this measurement. So now find 120 degrees and mark the spot. So we follow along until we hit 120 degrees and we mark that spot with a little line here, okay? Then you can now move the protractor away and draw a line from the orange dot to the pink mark. So you don't need the protractor anymore. So you would just line up a straight edge with the orange dot and this pink line and then draw your line here. And this angle measures 120 degrees. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. And you could take a look in the description. There's other videos there that are similar to this. If you need extra help as well, don't forget you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video. It'll take you right here. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.